Let's talk about how to select a part that is different than the one that the tool selects for us. So I'm going to go put in some information. It's going to generate a circuit for us. It's going to recommend a particular part for us. We can go click on either the part name or this little pencil icon. Either one will bring up a selection table, and then we have a bunch of parts in the selection table. If there's too many parts in the selection table, we can go use these filter things. So for example, I could say I want to see everything under a bias current of 10 picoamps, or I can go sort. I can go click on the columns and sort by the column. On a bunch of the tables, we also have this choose parameters button. You can hit this choose parameters button. It's going to have more options behind the scenes, so we can add extra parameters if we want. Right, so let's say we go and we go pick this part. So there it is, and that is how we pick a part that is different than what the tool selects for us.